Welcome. Thank you for giving yourself these precious few minutes. In a busy day, this moment of stillness is your gift to yourself. A chance to reconnect, breathe, and simply be. Let's take this time to come back to the center and reset for the rest of your day. Find a position that feels comfortable, whether you're sitting, standing, or even lying down. Let your hands rest gently, and if it feels right, close your eyes. Now, shift your focus to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest rise and your lungs fill with air. Hold it just for a moment and slowly let it through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, letting your shoulders relax with the breath. Continue this rhythm, and with each exhale, feel yourself letting go of tension you may be carrying. As you breathe, bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels right now. Are there any areas of tightness or heaviness? If you sense tension, imagine sending your breath there, like a gentle wave of relaxation. With each inhale, you bring in calm. With each exhale, you release what no longer serves you. Take a moment to thank your body for supporting you through everything and whisper to it, it's okay to relax now. If your thoughts begin to wander, that's perfectly natural. Gently guide them back to this moment, using the steady rhythm of your breath as your anchor. Now, I'd like you to think of one small thing you're grateful for today. It could be the warmth of the sun on your face, a kind word someone shared, or even the simple joy of being here. Hold that thought in your heart. Let its warmth fill you from the top of your head to the tips of your toe. If it feels right, let a small smile come to your lips as you breathe in this feeling of gratitude and joy. As you rest in this feeling, consider one small, intentional act you can do today. Something that will bring you or somebody else joy. It doesn't need to be big. Perhaps it's sharing a kind word, savoring a moment of quiet, or treating yourself to something you love. Hold that intention close for a moment. Feel the positivity it brings. Now, let's take 3 deep breaths together to seal this moment. Inhale deeply. Hold it gently. And exhale slowly. Again, a deep breath in. Feel it energize you and hold it for a beat. and let it out completely. One last time, your deepest breath yet. Breathe in calm, clarity, and gratitude. Hold for a second and exhale anything heavy or distracting. When you're ready, gently bring back your awareness back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you, the air around you, and the space you're in. Thank yourself for this time, for choosing to care for your mind and body. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Carry the sense of peace with you into the rest of your day.